Nice and lovely. We're gonna make a lovely stir fry veg. Look at this, guys, with rice. All right. Pinch of oil inside of the frying pan and make it hot for about 2 seconds. Lovely. So, it's on the stove. Some white onion, vegetable, rice, green peas, and sweet corn. Pinch of soy sauce. Salt. Stir fry veggie rice, Chinese style. And let's tap on the chopper. Cover and make it sweat for about 10 minutes. Nice and lovely. Look at that, guys. This is fantastic. Really lovely and nice. Now it is almost finished. If you got leftover rice, that's the best rice to use. And the veg, you can see it's Chinese veg. You got Chinese cabbage and carrot, sweet corn, green peas, and some bean sprout. Really nice. With some red onion, carrot. Really nice. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and now this is finished, I'm gonna share it out. Nice and lovely, as you can see, looking so fantastic and beautiful. Really lovely. And I want to simply say to you, it's just a little bit of leftover rice. I have a bowl over left rice, and I have some veg with the bean sprout and the Chinese cabbage, sweet corn and green peas, and some carrot and some red onion and white onion. And get all of those together, and you can get a pack of veg anywhere in the supermarket to buy. Mix everything with the rice. You can put all, if you're a person who like egg, you can scramble some egg, put inside of it also. So enjoy the recipe, and thank you so much. And that's a vegetarian dish also. See you next time. Bye bye.